Good morning, Wanderers. Today, I'm a little nervous. So as you may remember, we just installed a Hensley Hitch on our Airstream, and today is going to be the first time that we've towed with it. That's why I'm nervous. So, let's get going. So we stopped at our first destination last night. It's time to do our first maintenance on our Hensley Arrow, which is retorquing the bracket bolts to 45 foot-pounds. So we're going to do that before we take off this morning. At our final destination, we'll tell you how we feel about the Hensley Arrow. All right, so we're all torqued down to 45 foot-pounds. Time to get on the road. So we finally finished our trip, 16 hours, over 850 miles towed with the Hensley Arrow. So Hensley promised that this hitch, for just a little bit more than $2,700, would completely eliminate sway. The verdict? It absolutely did what Hensley Manufacturing said it would. Not once did our Airstream sway, waggle, anything. It stuck behind the truck the entire journey. If you haven't subscribed to our channel as of yet, go ahead and click that red subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little bell next to the subscribe button. It'll give you a notification every time we have a new episode, and with this huge trip coming up, you're not going to want to miss a minute of it. And go ahead and leave us a comment in the comment section below. Have you ever towed with a Hensley Arrow? Do you think it's worth the money? Let us know below. That's it for this episode. We'll catch you next time.